Oh, it's an unbelievable free kick. And Sweden have a goal. Rasmus Elm with an absolute thunderbolt. That's got the Friends Arena rocking again. Slightly subdued atmosphere in the second half. Crowd enjoying it, even if the manager isn't. This is a fine hit. It's CSKA Moscow match. Not sure hit a good reflection. Seemed to have done. There was simply no chance for Sergio Romero, who's beaten for the second time in the match. It turns out to be the last kick of the game. The referee blowing the full-time whistle here, confirming Argentina's first ever win in international football against Sweden. It's come at the Friends Arena, and the second ever international fixture here featuring Sweden. And it has ended in defeat